Imagine unlocking your full learning potential with an AI assistant that's not just smart, but incredibly adaptable to your unique needs. Today, we're diving into how Gemini Pro can transform your learning journey, turning complex subjects into easily digestible insights and even crafting personalized study plans just for you. Let's start with research. Suppose you're tackling a challenging topic like quantum physics. Instead of wading through endless dense articles, you can ask Gemini Pro to explain a specific concept. Simply try prompting it with "Explain quantum entanglement in simple terms," using an analogy. See how Gemini Pro breaks it down? It not only provides a clear definition, but also offers relatable analogies, making abstract ideas tangible and easier to grasp. This is foundational for deeper understanding. Beyond explanations, Gemini Pro excels at comparative analysis. Need to understand the key differences and similarities between, say, the French Revolution and the Industrial Revolution. Just ask, compare and contrast the causes and impacts of the French Revolution and the Industrial Revolution. It can generate structured comparisons like this, highlighting key themes, timelines, and consequences. This is invaluable for essay preparation, critical thinking, and developing a nuanced perspective on historical events. But Gemini Pro's real magic lies in personalization. Let's say you want to learn Python programming. You can ask, create a personalized learning plan for a beginner wanting to learn Python in 1 month, focusing on web development basics. Watch as it crafts a structured day or week-by-week plan, suggesting specific topics like variables, loops, and functions, and even recommending practice exercises. This tailored approach ensures you're learning effectively and efficiently without feeling overwhelmed. By leveraging Gemini Pro for research summarization, conceptual clarification, comparative analysis, and personalized study planning, you're not just learning. You're actively enhancing your educational outcomes and engaging with knowledge in a more dynamic and fulfilling way. Embrace the future of learning today.